Vidarbh Institute of Technology, popularly known as VIT, is managed by KDM Education Society, approved by AICTE New Delhi, Government of Maharashtra, DTE Mumbai, and affiliated to RTM Nagpur University. An ISO 9001:2008 certified institution is one of the leading educational institutions in Central India, with the sole objective of providing quality education to the youth of the rural region, keeping in mind the principle of equality and opportunity for all. The college is situated on the Maharashtra State Highway No. 9 on the Umraid Road, just 20 kilometers away from Nagpur. The college offers wide range of courses. In graduate segment, it has BE in Mechanical Engineering, BE in Electrical Engineering, BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and BE in Computer Science and Engineering. In postgraduate segment, it has MTech in CAD and CAM, MTech in Electronics Engineering and Communication, MTech in Computer Science and Engineering. In Polytechnic, it has Diploma in Mechanical Engineering and Diploma in Electrical Engineering. The salient features of Vidarbh Institute of Technology are well-developed and fully equipped laboratories with all modern equipments required for excellent practical learning. Vidarbh Institute of Technology boasts of large computer lab with around 415 computers and provides internet facilities round the clock. The college has spacious classrooms and well-qualified and experienced faculties from renowned universities across the India. Huge seminar hall with LCD projector and conference room for discussions. Hostel facilities for students. A spacious digital library with vast collection of books and e-journals. Vidarbh Institute of Technology felicitates merit students with University Toppers Awards with a cash prize of Rs 21,000. VIT also has a special e-classroom facility which gives students an easy access to pre-recorded videos and presentations. Student-teacher online interaction, which provides an online interactive blog where any query of the students can be answered by any faculty member or even colleagues. Students' forums like Galaxy, Mesa, and ECOS works towards the overall grooming of the students through the events like paper presentation, debate competition, project modeling, workshop on robotics, group discussions, etc. The college also organizes regular industrial visits to boost their technical knowledge. Every year, the college organizes annual social gathering, SPARSH, through which students get opportunity to show their hidden talents. STRIDES, which stands for Strength, Tenacity, Role Model, Innovation, Dedication, Evolution and Success, is an 8-day personality development workshop organized by the institute, which mainly focuses on overall personality development of the students. Explorica is the technical event which gives an overall view of the recent trends and developments in various fields of engineering and provide an excellent opportunity to exchange ideas amongst the students. Art Attack is an event to showcase students' creative skills. Creativity, which is an inter-college robotics competition, and national level paper presentation. The college also conducts extracurricular activities like blood donation camps, career seminars, Ganesh festivals, etc., and also boosts up indoor and outdoor sports activities. VIT provides state-of-art infrastructure with an spacious Wi-Fi campus consisting of the extensive playground with green and lush environment, an aesthetically designed canteen and the modern workshops for various departments enhancing the luster of the institute. In order to provide students with a comfortable transport facility, the institute runs several buses from various corners of the city. The academics of the students is periodically monitored and parents are kept informed of the progress of their wards. Vidarbha Institute of Technology also organizes guest lectures and seminars from the industry experts where students are given opportunity to interact with industrial professionals, thus enhancing their practical knowledge. We strive on the motto of inspiring innovative students of tomorrow. We have the idea, we have the vision. The man behind the vision, Mr. Jitesh Maheshwari, our Honorable Chairman, KDM Education Society.